Center, and today we are going to be learning how to make geodomes using triangles. Geodomes are 3D structures that are very sturdy because they are made out of triangles. What we're going to be needing for this activity is a magazine, masking tape, a ruler, and some scissors. So for each of your pieces, we're just going to take a sheet of our magazine. We're going to roll it up starting from a corner. We need a nice flat surface where we can just roll towards us, and you do need to keep a little bit of pressure, even pressure, on your magazine sheet until you get all the way to the bottom. Just like that. I have a little piece of masking tape ready to go. We just hold it in place, and that's that. We need a lot of these. Now it's time to use our straws to make our triangles. And for this, we need to do a little bit of cutting because we need some equilateral triangles, meaning that all sizes are the same length, and some isosceles triangles, where the base is the same length as one of our equilateral sides, but then the legs are a little bit shorter. For our equilateral sides, the longer side, we're gonna cut our straws to be 10 inches long. So you're simply gonna take your ruler, measure out 10 inches, and cut off the extras. Make sure that the tape stays in place, and that's how you get your long sides, 10 inches long. All right, now for the isosceles triangles, we need a 10-inch long base and two sides that are 8.5 inches. So go ahead and grab your straws and measure and cut. Now that we have our isosceles triangles ready to go and our equilateral triangles ready to go, nice and sturdy, we can start piecing them together. The first thing that we're gonna do is work on the sides that are gonna be pentagon shaped. Pentagon, 5 sides. So we're gonna grab 5 of our triangles, the isosceles triangles, and we're just gonna place them around so that they make a pentagon. And as you can see here, by placing 5 of them around, I have made a pentagon. Now I'm gonna piece them together with a little tape, and you'll see the magic start to take shape. Now that we have our 3 pentagons put together, we're gonna take 3 of our equilateral triangles and build this up. What I like to do is grab my 3 pentagons, lift them up so that we can start seeing the shape. And as you can see, we have some gaps here on the side for the base. So all we're gonna do is tape our triangles right in here to hold everything in place. Don't be afraid to add extra pieces of tape to help your piece feel a little bit sturdier. And you can just make all kinds of shapes with these. Have fun. We hope you enjoyed today's activity, and please keep an eye out for future videos. Thanks for watching.